Jordan River. There's a place of everlasting joy and peace, with no pain, no disappointments there to hurt us, and a crown of life, it's waiting there for me. That sounds like home to me, like where I want to be. There will be no tears to fill our eyes again. Here's where I go with the story, as we sing of His grace and glory, where the saints of God will be. That sounds like home to me. Well, they say there's mansions there inside that city. Crystal river there, it's flowing deep and wide.